4 minus 4 becomes 0. And again inside the parentheses 4 minus 4 becomes 0. In the end, 0 multiplied by 0 becomes 0. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics. The order of operations. Please like the video right now and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't take any time from you, but it helps me a lot. According to the order of operations, which is abbreviated, PEMDAS, each letter in the word PEMDAS stands for a step. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. When we face a complex mathematical expression, we must first solve the parentheses. Then we calculate the exponents. After that, we move on to multiplication and division. And finally, we perform the addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have the same priority, and we move from left to right when calculating. Whichever comes first, we perform that operation first. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question at the beginning of the video according to the order of operations. According to PEMDAS, we must solve the parentheses first. So 4 minus 4 becomes 0. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to a parenthesis, it means multiplication, but we usually do not write the multiplication sign for the sake of brevity. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we perform the multiplication first. 4 multiplied by 0 becomes 0. In the end, 4 minus 0 becomes 4, and 4 is our final answer. Now, based on what you learned in this video, tell me in the comments what the value of this expression is. You can watch the solution to this problem in the short videos on the channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.